Hello guys, welcome back to PureForeX. So I'm going to be analyzing gold USD, which is my favorite pair, and then we'll also look at Euro USD and GBP USD. All right, so let's get started. As always, we're going to start our analysis on. I'm starting gold on the weekly time frame. All right, so let's go to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. Looking at gold from the weekly time frame, it is obviously an uptrend, right? I know gold has been struggling to break this area, and finally last week, Friday, gold finally cleared this area and closed with the bullish engulfing candle, right? This bullish engulfing candle. So we are clearly in an uptrend, right? And also based on market structure, looking at it from the market structure, this is a high, this is a low, and then this is a higher high, pointing bullish. All right. So let's go back to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that uptrend, right? We can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend. So we can see characteristics of an uptrend and the market is pointing bullish, right? So now, my expectation on gold, remember, we can also, within this point here, we can also consider this to be impulse. This is correction, another impulse. So we'll be expecting a retracement and then we continue looking for buy opportunities. So we are going to, or I'm going to be more bullish on gold this week than bearish, right? So means that I'll be looking for more opportunity than bearish, more buying opportunity than selling opportunity. But sometimes I'm more reactive and predictive, right? Sometimes if the market give me reasons to sell or to counter trend, and then I'm going to do that. Also, with the concept of track and trace concept that I taught you on my free Zoom session on my free Telegram channel, you don't just counter trend blindly. You want to counter trend, you should be able to know where the market is coming from so that you can also counter trend. All right. So now let's go to the H4 time frame to see a possible area we want price to give us a kind of retracement or a kind of discount for us to buy. You know, as a buyers, we need price to give us a reasonable discount for us to wait for entry confirmation and engage. Like I said, I approach gold differently from a bit different from the currency pairs. Like I said, currency pairs apply purely bastra concept. When it comes to gold, a little refined. I refined the strategy a little bit because gold tends to move differently from currency pairs. All right, so let's go to the H4 time frame. So this is the H4 time frame. And also based on the H4 time frame, we are seeing clearly an uptrend from the H4. This is an impulse, this is correction, another impulse. So we'll be expecting the market to give us a little retracement for us to continue this buy movement. All right, so I'm going to put my line here. And also, yeah, I'll be expecting gold to drop to retrace back to this level. Like I said, I will be more reactive than predictive, right? So I want gold to come back to this level. I'll say, fine, let me connect my trend line as a confluence. I don't always use trend line, but sometimes we use it because trend line is part of my confluence, right? I have other confluences I consider when I want to trade. All right, so based on the H4 perspective, this is where I'm expecting gold to give us a little retracement back to even kissing this zone, then entry confirmation on the lower time frame for us to look for buying opportunity. As the market keep breaking the highs, we'll continue looking for buy, right? Also, if the market give us reasons to sell, we can also sell based on where the market is reacting from, right? So if the market is reacting from a past frequent zone of sensitivity, and then it will be very possible for me to counter trend. But when a retracement is happening without coming from the past frequent zone of sensitivity, I am not interested. I will always keep looking for buying opportunity. So looking at gold, I will be looking for buys. And so we'll wait for patiently for a retracement to happen on gold, and then we engage. All right. So if I go to H1 also, H1 also is giving us H1 also, the market can come here, kiss this area, give us confirmation, we can buy. But I'm going to monitor this setup, the retracement. If the retracement is going to take place, I'm going to monitor the retracement from the H4, H1 time frame for me to take a trade. But I will be looking for buying opportunity on gold USD, right? So this is it about gold USD. So you guys should also plan your trade looking for buying opportunity when the market opens tomorrow. So London session, which is tomorrow, Monday. So we are done with gold USD. Let's go to Euro USD quickly. So this is Euro USD as well. This guy, Euro USD, I've done analysis severally when the market respected the daily Quasimodo reversal. And then the market went back to also respect this this retracement was, the market was rejecting back of bullish from daily blind spot. So it is very easier, like I said, because currency pair move differently. It is very easier to apply Fantastic Five if you can determine the direction or the trend of the market. First of all, keep your DMD1, DMD2 aside, look for direction, do your top-down analysis, because top-down analysis is the only analysis you need to understand the trend of the market. If you see here, the market was actually reacting from a blind spot, right? And then let's go back to H4 time frame, and the market started buying from there. So if we go back to the daily, let's go back to the H4, you see that this market may continue going bullish, right? We want the market to continue going bullish, especially the last week candle close with the full body candle that showing us a lot of strength that this market may continue going up, right? Although also we can expect a retracement from the weekly time frame, but for now we want to continue going bullish, right? Also the possible okay, fine. We want to continue going bullish. Let me not spend too much time to explain this pair. So let's go to the daily. Daily is giving us bullish, and also the daily candle. Look at the daily candle. This daily candle also closed as a bullish engulfing. The weekly close with what? The weekly close with a big full body candle, and then the daily close with the bullish engulfing candle. And also looking at market structure wise, this is kind of giving us a mini market structure here, characteristic of an uptrend to continue to go bullish. So with this, with the daily close with the bullish engulfing, it means that we're going to continue looking for buying opportunity on Euro USD. So let's go for the H4 time frame. So now this pair started buying, right? The pair started buying. This pair started buying from a manipulation entry formula. This full body candle here, this full body momentum candle with a lot of strength. We found a rally-based rally inside it. That rally-based rally was the point this pair started buying from there, which is from the H1 time frame. This is the rally-based rally, guys. So manipulation entry formula also is one of the reversal signals, reversal setup that always happen on the chart, right? So this was the rally-based rally, and then price got there and started buying. So now our plan, or my plan on Euro USD, if we are going to continue going bullish, which I believe the market is continue to go bullish. If I have a retracement from this point here, I'm going to put a line here for a continuation of this buy. If I'm going to have it, I'm going to have a retracement, a quick retracement when the market open tomorrow back to this zone, then it's going to be opportunity for a buy, right? It's going to be, this is from the H1 time frame. If we can find a retracement back to this zone, this is like a Quasimodo reversal also this Quasimodo comes with uh, a rally, base rally. So if the market can drop back to this point, we'll be looking for buying opportunity without fear or favor, right? So now also looking at this Quasimodo this one is more of like QMC because the market has already given us an uptrend. In fact, the market is already in an uptrend, so this can be considered as a bullish angle. I mean, as a Quasimodo continuation, right? So we can as well say, fine, I can connect my trend line here like this, right? I can connect my trend line like this. Put your trend line the way you want. So I can also connect my trend line like this based on this Quasimodo continuation. If the market retrace back to this zone, we look for opportunity to buy. We just buy. If the market can drop, we buy. So another way around, we can look for buying opportunity on EURUSD is from the weekly. When the market, I mean from the H4, if the market fail to retrace back to where we want to buy, and then the market push, definitely there have to be a retracement back for us to look for entering to buy. But our first plan A on EURUSD is going to be looking directly from H1 time frame, M30 H1 time frame. So if the market can give us a retracement, we can also, then you can now jump in on this buy on EURUSD. All right. So guys, this is analysis on EURUSD for a buy, for continuation of a buy. This pair I've been buying, and I've analyzed this pair since before now. And most of my YouTube students who just depend on my YouTube, they have been taking trade based on the analysis. This analysis has been helping them. Also, they have knowledge in this concept. They have been applying and compare and contrast with their own knowledge and be able to take opportunities in the market. And some of them, they chatted me. My analysis has been so helpful to them based on this concept. When it comes to Bastra, purely the concept is hack already, because we, from the higher time frame, I look at how the market move in respect to this fantastic five, not just going to the lower time frame and be looking for Quasimodo and M15 Quasimodo on M5 Quasimodo on this and that. I understand. I want to understand the direction of the market by using top-down analysis, market structure, top-down analysis, and then you will now start applying fantastic five, right? So for these things to happen, it takes patience, which Nora also talk about. Shout out to Nora. She talks about like in every great setup, multi-time frame analysis is behind every great setup, right? So she emphasized so much on multi-time frame analysis, but yeah, even though she did not even do most of the video on how to do top-down analysis, but you are doing opposite. You just go down to the lower time frame and be looking for a setup without understanding the trend or the direction or the information about multi-time frame market structure synchronization. And that is why my channel is here to help you guys. My channel will help you, and for you to be able to synchronize this concept. And she also talks about patience. This thing you see, a market comes, a market respect this one. It does not just happen within seconds or within minutes. Sometimes you need to wait for 2 days. Sometimes you need to wait for the whole day. You have to, not even with this concept, in every trading strategy, you need to apply patience. You need to wait for patience for market to give you your setup, right? So this is it on EURUSD. So let's look at the last pair, which is GBPUSD. Yeah, look at the last analysis I did on GBPUSD and GBP cards. They are doing well. Yeah, you can also check that analysis. Let's go to H4 time frame. They are doing well, right? Let me clear this one. Yeah, in that my last analysis on GBPUSD and CAD, when the market was the market just broke this the the Dow theory just breached, and I said, okay, fine, we want to wait for the market to retrace back to this point, this level, entry confirmation, and then the market, and that is exactly what happened, right? So because GU is ready, I think I've been doing analysis on this guy when the market was still here, expecting the breach of the Dow theory. The market keep dropping, and then finally the breach of the Dow theory happens, and then the market started buying. So like I said, this is the neckline break. First, this is the first opportunity you would have hopped in. But since for those of you that do not use the neckline entry techniques, so this is a clear one that the market retraces back here, give us entry confirmation for us to buy. And some students said, some of the YouTube students said, yeah, they actually on this trade, they capitalize on GBPUSD and GBP CAD based on the last week analysis. So guys, now this week, this new week, what is going to happen on GU? Remember, if we go, remember the danger zone. So let's go to the daily. Look at that daily time frame, right? Look at that daily time frame. That is the major supply area, which is this major supply area here. So we want the market can get to this point and drop, right? The market can also break, but this is a danger zone where we don't, if the market is rejecting from the danger zone, maybe when we find a setup in the lower time, we don't want to sell, but the only way, if we see the market break this zone, right? And then upon retracing, we look for entry confirmation to keep buying. So you need to take note of the danger zone. So now we are still free to look for more buying opportunity. And I believe the market is not just going to go like this straight all the way to this point. The market may want to retrace to have gain a lot of order, a lot of momentum to continue pushing back or bullish, right? So now on the H4, this is going to be our agenda, right? On H4, I want to see the market retracing back to this level, and then we buy all the way to the higher time frame, all the way to the danger zone, guys. Because of I didn't have much opportunity on gold this week, I have to hop in on this particular setup here. I'm still holding this particular trade, so I took some part of the profits. So, but I'm still holding my remaining position to this trade. So let's see. Let's wait for a retracement. If the market can retrace, even though the retracement is not going to come back to this level, a retracement up to this level, entry confirmation on M15, then you can buy back or bullish, right? So we are still looking for buying opportunity based on the overall direction of the GBPUSD. We have done the top-down analysis already. We know where the market is coming from, and we know where the market is going. So when you know the direction where the market is going, you can, any retracement, possible retracement, look for F5, M15, you buy. It could be M50, sometimes it could be M5, right? But you already know the trend of the market. Where the market is dropping is the whole what? It's just a retracement. What you are interested is to see Fantastic 5 in line with the trend, and then you hop in with the gold risk management, right? So this is my analysis on gold USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. I hope this video analysis is going to benefit you based on what you are going to be looking at from tomorrow, this new week, right? So make sure, if you like what, if this video is beneficial to you, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, hit the like button. But if you haven't also subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So like I always say, that everything you see here, the Bastra concepts, every other strategy out there is what? It's a matter of devotion. It's a matter of you devoting yourself to understand how market moves in respect to the strategy, because all strategies out there works, right? all strategy out there works. But if you can't devote yourself to understand how market move in respect to those strategy, you'll be jumping from one strategy to another. All right. So now, that is why I said without devotion, there is no transformation. If you can't stay devoted on one particular strategy to see how market move in respect to that strategy, then you cannot see any change. So which is why I said, without devotion, there won't be any transformation in your analysis. There won't be any transformation in your trading. So therefore means that whatever strategy you are using, without devotion, there will be any transformation, right? It is the quality of your devotion, not just devotion. It is the quality of your devotion based on that strategy you are using, coming on the chart every day, analyze, is what is going to transform you, right? So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Peace.